Hi guys, today we're opening a little surprise baby ginormous, but it's not tiny.
Baby ginormous but not tiny.
Hey, maybe 3 or something right there.
Need help?
See, not there.
Oh, there, look. Pull that one. What's that?
So then we can open the back. Mummy was singing this song.
Singing what song?
La La Babies when we put it on when I wanted it.
Ah. Oh.
That was easy.
You got a big baby.
So I think this is her phone.
A phone?
Yeah, it's just makeup phone. Makeup inside. I think you do this or something. Got a cracked screen because you've been playing on it so much.
Oh what? Let me see.
She's got a phone.
Let me see.
Yeah. Oh, I think we came with stickers or something. Stickers.
Phone with a broken screen.
Stickers. These stickers.
Let's have a look, Poppy.
They're not stickers. Not stickers, it's just paper. Let's see what this is. I think this is her dummy. Or something. She's got a whole pack of money. She's got a whole pack of money. It's supposed to open. What is that? Oh, it's a
What
dummy.
is it, Poppy? Let's show you. It's a what?
So you put that on it so you
Dummy.
can you can put that on it so you can tie it around her neck.
Oh.
What is that?
I don't know what that is.
It feels like a bottle. Do you know how glittery these bottles are?
How glittery.
Really glittery. They're really glittery.
Are they?
Yeah. Look. Look.
Wow. You know, don't you? Oh wow, look at that.
Then our last bag. This will be the sunglasses.
There's sunglasses too?
Yep.
How do you know all this?
Because I've seen it on the advert.
Oh.
Then you keep the other side again if I can't drink that side.
Oh, they're great.
Put her on it.
Cool glasses.
Yeah. Oh no. Is that broken?
I'll just click back on pops.
Okay. You're too big for her.
You're too big for her.
Look.
Comes with a cool kitty bag.
I think it's got some peely stuff.
Think what? It's got a protective thing on it.
I can't actually peel it off.
Wait a minute.
She had a headband. It's Kitty Queen, and Kitty Queen comes with a headband. Oh, I know what the dummy does. You open the end of it and it's actually got colour change lipstick. On YouTube, on my tablet, when on my old tablet was broken now, and there was a one, and there was a silly person who seed what the colour was on her arm.
Oh, right.
And it was blue, and it colour changed to a different colour.
You're going to hold her and say... Hey, say thanks for watching our unboxing video.
Thanks for watching our unboxing video.